Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al. I got another challenge lock, another great one in the vise. It's called Bear Picnic by Locking Paul, and it had a number 6 on the key tag too, so I thought I'd write that on there too on my nifty little board there. And it is take one, to be honest, because I haven't tried this sucker yet. So let's go on this journey together. What do you say? Let me see, and it looks like well, here's the key, by the way. There's the bitting on the key right there, and it does work like butter. I just tried that a minute ago, and it does look like I can use, let me see, big one. Yep. Okay, so we can use top of the keyway, which is always my first choice if I can. And this keyway is a little bit erratic, so I'm probably going to have to go, I think that ledge would be too high, so I'm probably going to have to go off the side here and just kind of go a little, go at an angle. That should work. There's one way to find out, so let's get right on into it. What do you say? Alrighty. Give it a little stab, get a little feel for it. I can feel the pin, so that's a plus. Yeah, I think I can do that from an angle like that. Okay, so I did feel already a binder in the back, so I'm going to go ahead and start back there, I think. It is kind of a trip going at an angle, so alright, I think I'm on 3, if I can stay under it. Maybe not. 2, 3, okay, 4, I think. 4, here, 5, 4, 3. Huh. It is quite an angle. I'm not sure I'm getting them. I think I'm oversetting. Let's try this again. That felt pretty good. Let me see, that was 2. Tell you what, it feels pretty nasty. 4. Not getting nothing up front. Nope. Just a bunch of clicks that aren't really paying off. No risk, excuse me, no risk, no reward, right? Yeah, I'm not feeling it. It's snapping and popping, but I'm not getting nothing in return for it. I'm not getting any no turn on the core. I'll be damned. Excuse me, Bear Picnic, huh? Oof, that was pretty crunchy there. Oof. There we go. Wow, there's a lot of, like a bag of chips in there. There's a crunchy monkey up in there. Okay, let me get backed out a little bit here. Get this sucker out of the vise. Wow. Let's see what we got inside this bad boy right here. Bring the camera down over here. Should be about right. Alright, let's see what we got. We are very much open. Fair enough. And we do have a key, so we can lock her back up. And see if this clip's going to be easy enough to get off of here. Oh yeah. Walk in the park with a Care Bear. Alright. Feels loose enough where I might be able to get a shim in there. Because it does have that split where the ring goes in the back here. And if there's any kind of T-pins or anything, they'll get stuck in that in a heartbeat. Yeah, I'm not even getting the shim in that good. That's scary. Alright, a little better. There we go. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Pins are going to be over here. Right size follower. Well, I might be able to get away with using a bigger one there. Yep. There we go. Even better. Okay. Wow, we got... Okay, that's how I got it. We've got 5 pins and a 6-pin core. Yep. That's how I got her. I'll be damned. Whoa. Almost lost one. Must be a shorty. Okay, I'm going to get them laid out here. Seems to be some oil on this thing too. I didn't do that. Doesn't hurt nothing though. 3. Wow. Oh, okay. What the heck? We got wafers in here. Yeah. Same with that one. Yeah. There's wafers in this thing. That does make it easier to pick a little bit, so I'm not sure why those would be in a challenge lock, but I don't know. I guess to make the key work. Okay, on the core we've got threading in 3 and 5. 6 didn't matter because it wasn't pinned up, so we got threading in 3 and 5, as you can see right there on the camera. Bada boom, bada bang. And let's see what we got upstairs if we get that shim, or that shim out of there. There we go. Okay. There's some tweezers. And let's go to town, huh? Where we at? Right here. Alrighty. We've got looks like a standard in one. Little steel spring. And we've got, looks like a standard in two. Huh. I wouldn't have thunk. Okay, we've got, now we've got some action. We've got a two-piece and number 3. I'll get a close-up on that. You'll get it laid out here real nice. Okay. Spring's not cooperating. There we go. Another steel spring. That was 3, so number 4. We've got another standard. Another little steel spring. And number 5. Another standard. And a steel spring. And number 6 was not occupied in either one, obviously. So let's see what we got upstairs. No mods to the Bible either. Or no mods to the Bible, sorry. Okay, so we'll put Bear Picnic up. Just like so, if I can get it to stay up. Ooh, I'll have to tape that back on. Okay. I just tore that off. We'll tape it back on, no biggie. No problemo. Okay, again, that was Bear Picnic from Locking Paw. And I believe it was the, is it Pickaholic that sent me this one, I believe. I hope I got that right this time. Alright, I'm going to bring the camera way down so we look straight at the pins. I think that works better. Okay, we've got a double serrated key pin in number 1. Same thing in number 2. Number 3, is that a one piece? Yeah, it's just serrated in number 3. I thought it was a 2-piece for a minute there. We've got a triple serrated key pin in number 4. Same thing in number 5. Beautiful. Well done on those two. They're really, really good looking. Just well made. Drivers, we got a standard in 1, standard in 2. Then we got this 2-piece, and I think it's got a little serration on this sleeve right here. As you can see, this sleeve that moves up and down this pin here. And there was, I forgot to mention, these wafers right here were on top of these key pins in number 2, 3, and 5. Back to the drivers, this third one obviously was that 2-piece, and then we got a standard in 4 and 5, and then all standard steel springs, it looks like. So pretty cool. Definitely a fun lock. Again, I'm not sure. I guess maybe the key didn't work good, so somebody put wafers in there, because it does give you an extra shear line in each one of those, but it was a working lock, so, and it was a fun one to pick, so it's all good. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing off.